welcome back to our channel. Today in New York City. What? We're using the other camera?
We're starting this one.
Hi guys!
Mr. Cameraman, I cannot record on my phone. We have to record on his fancy dancy camera.
What's up? What? Bro, what is up with your hair though?
You cannot, like, you be leaving it too long. You need to cut it a little more because his hair grows like in a day.
We have a surprise for you.
Yeah, fix your hair.
Yeah, that's a surprise.
What is it?
Yeah.
So today there's a snowstorm. Today is February. Today is February the 1st, 2021, and New York City is having a winter snowstorm like we haven't had it in a while. So we're gonna go downstairs and have a little bit of fun with the kids. This is the first time that Zena actually interacts with snow. So are you excited? She's excited, and Armani is off the roof. He's been asking like all morning. But yeah, come join us.
I'm so excited!
Hi guys, I'm gonna be behind here today.
So, this is the first time Zena's actually stepping on snow. What does it feel like? What does it feel like? You like how it feels? On your feet?
I just know.
We gotta get Zena some mittens. We wasn't ready for this.
Alright, come on, let's keep walking.
Daddy!
Zena.
Say sorry!
Zena, put your hand in your pocket. Oh my god!
Thing about this mask, it actually helps in the wintertime.
You ever built?
Yep.
It looks more like a volcano.
I know. I don't know how. I guess I don't have the tools to make a perfectly round snowman.
The tools, it's your hands.
I don't know how to do it. I was trying to like make a ball, but it would just fall.
It's probably because the snow is not that wet.
I mean, no, it's perfect.
Daddy, look how it is over here.
We don't have sticks to make the hands. You didn't have a hat for it. Or what is it? A carrot for the nose.
Alright,
Go.
so we're going to spend a little bit more time out here. We're going to wrap this video up here. We just wanted to show you guys
What's happening here in New York City?
New York City. The kids are going to play for a little bit longer.
Here in New York.
He's like our biggest fan, that guy. He loves our family. Watch this. He's a hard worker. Where's my car?
My car. Hey.
Say bye. Say bye.
That's it for today's video. Today was a short vlog. We just wanted to share how the city was looking. Thank you so much for watching.